Today we're discussing the Allianz SE stock. Can this stock outperform the market? Welcome to Happy Investors, your go-to source for expert insights into stocks and EES, which we analyze using exclusive databases and stock programs. Please note, this video is purely informational and not investment advice. Investing involves risks. Allianz SE is a German financial company that operates worldwide in insurance and asset management for individuals and businesses. The current share price is €349.90. Analysts at Morningstar estimate an intrinsic value of €350. No rating has been given yet for the competitive advantage. The stronger the advantage, the better. If the current price is below the intrinsic value, that's favorable. Always calculate your own intrinsic value. Wall Street analysts estimate an average price target of €358.70. This indicates that analysts have confidence in further price growth in the medium term. The historical results of this stock show an average annual return of 6.5%. If this percentage is higher than the index, that's favorable, but it does not guarantee future results. What are your expectations for the future? Let's examine the valuation and the potential return. The tool we're using here is most reliable for stocks with a longer trading history. For young or extremely fast-growing companies, the data may be less representative. In this chart, you can see the historical valuation of the stock. Ideally, the price, the black line, should be below the blue line, which represents the average valuation. It's even more favorable when the price is below the orange line. This line often corresponds to a P ratio of 15, but it can be higher depending on profit growth expectations. The further the price is below this orange line, the greater the potential margin of safety. What exactly does that mean? Let's take a closer look at that together. In this image, we're looking at the potential return through 2027. The average analyst here looks at the past 5 fiscal years. For inspiration, we use looking back up to 10 years as our starting point. This has its pros and cons. Now, we're looking at 3 scenarios. The actual return depends on the earnings forecasts, which are an average estimate from a certain number of analysts. The higher the number of analysts, the more accurate the estimate may be. Scenario 1. In 3 years, the price is equal to the 10-year average price level. P 11.43%. If you buy this stock now, the average annual return could be 5.52%. Scenario 2. The better people think the company is doing, the higher the price for the stock can be. Suppose we assume a P of 13.72. Then the potential annual return is 12.51%. Scenario 3. However, it's better to be cautious in your calculations. Suppose we assume a P of 9.14. Then the potential annual return is 2.3%. Do you have questions about these numbers or how to interpret them? Ask them in the comments. Now we're switching to another data tool, Market Screener. The investor rating has not yet been issued. Ideally, you want the P rating to go down due to rising earnings per share. Earnings per share is referred to as EPS, which stands for earnings per share. In general, the lower the P ratio, the better. However, this can give a distorted picture. That's why you should always look at the development of free cash flow as well, where you want to see a growing trend. According to analysts, the price-to-earnings ratio will drop to 11.1 by 2027. The P ratio for 2027 is estimated at 1.57. The further this falls below 1, the greater the margin of safety can be. Allianz is showing expected profit growth toward 2027. We can see this in the rising green and yellow lines. The next 3 images show a lot of information. Pause the video if you want to interpret all the information. Here, we'd like to highlight the cash from operations. We see that the trend is upward. That's a positive sign. Here, we're again looking at the profitability of Allianz SE's business model. A consistently high or rising trend is favorable. Where we previously talked about a competitive advantage analyzed by Morningstar, we see this reflected in these figures as consistently high profit numbers. Strong, high-quality companies generally achieve high and consistent profitability above 15%. The return on equity is higher than 15%, and for the net income margin, we see that it is lower than 15%. In this image, we look at financial ratios from the balance sheet to assess financial health. In terms of the short term, the company appears to be financially healthy. We can see this from a quick and current ratio that is above 1. In the medium term, we see that total debt relative to cash flow, the EBITDA, is currently 1.99. This is below the ratio of 3, which is favorable. For the upcoming images, we are using Seeking Alpha, a data tool that utilizes factor analysis. The factor analysis, expressed in quant rating, ranges from strong sell to strong buy. Strong sell means a statistical probability that the stock may perform worse than average over the next 6 to 12 months. At Happy Investors, we ideally look for stocks rated from hold to strong buy. It does not guarantee success, but it can increase the likelihood of success. Pay attention to the following. It is a weighted average of various factors compared to the relative valuation of the sector average. This means, for example, that a high-quality stock can have a high valuation compared to the sector average, but it may still be undervalued relative to its own intrinsic value. For example, see the assessment from Morningstar. The quant rating from Seeking Alpha gives it a strong buy. Let's take a closer look at each factor. We'll start with the evaluation factor, which ranges from A+ to F. In this case, the valuation compared to the sector average appears favorable. For the long term, the most important metric is the PZ non-GAAP FWD. Ideally, this should be below 1 or below 1.5 for strong companies. Next, we look at the growth factor. The growth figures compared to the sector average are favorable. We pay particular attention to EPS growth for the next 3 to 5 years, where a percentage above 15% is considered favorable. The estimates for this stock indicate an EPS growth of 10.34%. In this tool, we see that the profitability factor is relatively strong compared to the sector average. Here, we look at the stock's momentum. Stocks with strong momentum tend to maintain it. But remember, when a stock has a very high valuation or, for example, when growth expectations from the growth factor drop quickly, a stock with only strong momentum can fall sharply. At Happy Investors, we mainly look for an attractive combination of all the factors, where essentially we either pay a fair price for a great company or a lower price for a good company. That's why you should always look at the intrinsic value in the long term. Allianz SE scores strongly as momentum rate. In this image, we see the dividend score of the stock, which is a combination of various elements from dividend security to dividend yield. As a dividend investor, ideally you want an attractive current dividend and reliable long-term growth. This stock pays out a 4.27% dividend. The dividend growth over the past 5 years was 10.43%. Now let's look at the very short term. For the next 3 to 6 months, the Zacks rank rating is a strong buy. Within a 6 to 12-month horizon, Zacks rank has a price target of $45. Should we get in now or not? In the short term, you can use technical analysis to determine entry and exit points. We see a support level at the price points of $302.01 and $161.80. For the traders among us, we see a possible resistance level at $370 and $410.4982. At Happy Investors, we research countless stocks every week. In this video, we highlighted the stock Allianz SE, which we find interesting. Please note that this video does not contain any investment advice. To reduce investment risks, we recommend choosing long-term investing, which significantly increases the chances of success. What do you think? Leave your opinion in the comments. Do you also want access to these data sources? In our video description, you'll find special discount links from Happy Investors with our partners. And do you want more information about a specific stock? Use the Happy Investors video channel as your go-to source for in-depth analyses of stocks and ETFs. For simple investing and financial freedom, also check out our website for free downloads. Did you find this analysis valuable? Like, subscribe, and never miss another analysis. See you at the next analysis.